Hey, Mrs. Nomad, show us what you took on your Annapurna Circuit Trek.
Well, the most important thing is shoes. So I brought 2 pairs of shoes, one waterproof heavy duty hiking boot. These happen to be Keen. It's a old time favorite of mine. And for the first time I've tried Merrell's. It's a lightweight hiking boot. It was nice to have 2 different shoes to switch back and forth between throughout the evenings and the trek. A Matador 28-liter bag, semi-waterproof, water-resistant backpack. As far as sleepwear, I brought yoga pants and a long-sleeve silk long underwear top. Kept me warm throughout the nights, easy to walk around if there was a shared bathroom, etc. Pants, a lightweight and a medium weight pair of zip pants. So as the day got warmer or cooler, I could zip on and zip off and keep the temperature I needed to be. Long underwear, a set, pants, and a top came in very handy as we made it through the pass and the top of the Lake Tilicho. For my core, long underwear tank top. I occasionally have problems with my ankle and knee, so I had elastic braces. Thank goodness I didn't need to use them. 2 pair of lightweight wicking underwear and sport bra. And I had 6 pairs of socks, a heavy duty wool, some medium wool, and 2 liners and a pair of athletic socks. I use them all for various temperatures or put 2 on at a time. I also had a pair of sleeves to help protect from the wind and sun, so I didn't have to put on a whole shirt, and a belt. As far as tops go, I had 3 athletic tops, all lightweight and wicking, easy to rinse out and reuse. A long sleeve, lightweight and wicking top, and an overshirt so you could button on, button off throughout the day. I like a lot of jackets for my layers, so I have what's called a fishing coat, a lightweight zip-up hooded coat that I prefer to use, and a fleece, a little heavier zip-up hoodie coat. I did bring my passport, and I have this convenient little case by North 49. There are checkpoints throughout the hike, so it's good to have on hand. As far as toiletries, what I found really important is some refillable conditioner and shampoo that is not available on the trek. Mirrors are not in every room that you have, so it's nice to have a small mirror. And face cream. The wind and the sun really dries you out, so make sure you have some cream. Paper is not available on the trek, so we had 2 rolls along with us, and pretty much we went through them all. A lightweight, quick dry towel. Towels are not available on the trek, so that was nice to have. As far as hats, baseball cap that you can rinse out. I rinsed mine out a couple times, and a knit cap. For those early mornings, I did have a headlamp. I used it a couple times. Gloves, lightweight and a heavyweight pair of gloves to wear one or the other or both together. Muff to put over your ears or your neck. That came in really handy as well. As far as drinking water, every day I had a refillable container and just a plain plastic container that we would put Tang or otherwise in, and we had the water tablets to purify once we felt we were ready to use those and mix it in with the mineral water. Hiking poles, we brought them along, only use them one day. We're not really pole people, but they could come in handy, especially for the downhill. As far as snacks and stuff, we had protein bars and some candy to keep your throat moist throughout the day. Again, Tang and other kind of minerals and vitamins for your water as you make it through the day. There's not a lot to do in the evenings, and sometimes there's not others to talk with, so we brought a book, and I did get through one throughout the trek. Coats, I have this 2-in-1 system by Mountain Warehouse. It's a raincoat and a puffy coat all in one. You can put them together or wear them separate. Never had to wear the raincoat, thank goodness, but I did wear the puffy quite often. A packing cube, all this stuff, this helps keep you organized and condensed, so that came in handy for us for sure. And the last thing on my list is the sleeping bag. We rented this, and I would definitely recommend.